Good morning, children. Your Mamta ma'am is back with the same topic. Yes, our topic was fruits, which is very important part of our life. First, we will do the revision of all the fruits which I briefed you yesterday. पहले हम कल वाले सभी fruits का recap करेंगे. Now, children, speak after me. Watermelon, mango, apple, orange, grapes, strawberry, pineapple, banana, cherry, plum, guava. Now once again we will revise the spelling of few fruits which I taught you yesterday. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Repeat after me. M-A-N-G-O, mango. P-L-U-M, plum. P-L-U-M, plum. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now look here, children. These are the pictures of some fruits with their plants and trees. Apple tree, mango tree, pomegranate tree, orange tree, strawberry plant, pineapple plant, watermelon plant, plum tree, guava tree, peach tree, banana plant. Now we will do a fun activity with some fruits and their shadows. I am going to show you flashcards of some fruits. You have to observe their shapes carefully, and then I am going to show you the shadow of those fruits and you have to recognize the fruit. पहले मैं आपको कुछ फ्रूट्स के फ्लैश कार्ड दिखाऊंगी. आप उनके शेप्स ध्यान से देखना. फिर उन्हीं फ्रूट्स के मैं आपको शैडो दिखाऊंगी. शैडो देखकर आपको उन फ्रूट्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करना है. Now look carefully. Which fruit is this? Banana. This one? Plum. Watermelon. Mango. Strawberry. Orange, grapes, apple. Now look here, children. These are the shadows of the fruits which I showed you just now. Now you have to recognize which fruit shadow is this? Guess it. Yes, strawberry. Now look here carefully. Which fruit shadow is this? See carefully. Yes, it is of grapes. This one, watermelon. Watermelon. Now look here carefully. Which fruit shadow is this? Think, children. It's very easy. Yes, it is a banana. Now look here carefully. Which fruit is this? Plum. Very good. Now look here carefully. This is a very easy one. Yes, apple. Now look here carefully. It is round in shape. So which fruit is this? Orange. Very good. Now again look carefully. Which fruit shadow is this? Yes, everyone loves to eat this fruit. It is a summer fruit. Yes, this one is mango. I hope you enjoyed this activity. It's time for solution of the given worksheet. So children, what we have to do in this worksheet? Yes, we have to circle the fruits that have one seed. First picture is of cherry. Yes, it has one seed. So we will make a circle as I had already done for you. Second one is orange. Orange have few seeds. So we will not circle it. Third one, watermelon. It has many seeds. So we will not circle it. Fourth one, mango. Yes, it has one big seed. So we will circle it. Fifth one, plum. It has also one seed. So we will make a circle. Last one, apple. It has few seeds. So we will not circle it. Today I am going to sing a song related to fruits. So children, get ready and sing with me.
I am a cherry, round and red, round and red, round and red. I am a cherry, round and red, and taste really good. I am an orange, round and orange, round and orange, round and orange. I am an orange, round and orange, and grow on a tree. I am a banana, yellow and long, yellow and long, yellow and long. I am a banana, yellow and long. Do you like my song? I am an apple, red and green, red and green, red and green. I am an apple, red and green, and am tasty. I am a strawberry, fresh and red, fresh and red, fresh and red. I am a strawberry, fresh and red, and I am very sweet. I am a watermelon, big and green, big and green, big and green. I am a watermelon, big and green, with lots of beads.
Did you enjoy the song? Yes? I am sure that you have understood all fruits are not of same size, color or taste, but eating all kinds of fruits are very necessary to remain healthy. Bye.